Hello and welcome back to my channel. I have another Valentine's Day DIY for you using the Dollar Tree dice and a wooden heart. My first project is with the dice, of course. You can use these for multiple holidays during the year. I'm always using them. This time I am going to put vinyl on each one to spell out the word love. I have seen people doing balloons over the dice. I tried, but I could still see the color of the foam through the balloon, so I painted them instead. And in this video you see me painting, and I do 2 coats of this Craft Smart white acrylic paint. And you just see me going through with my paintbrush, painting all around, give it some drying time, and then do another coat and drying time, and then you are ready to go on to the next step. I used my Cricut for this one. I'm sure you can find stickers at the Dollar Tree. They have the alphabet that you could use as well. In this video, I did not let the paint dry enough, so you see me taking some of the paint off on the L. Oh, so upset. I was able to fix it at the end, but be sure that your paint is dry, and if your transfer tape is too much. For this project, I would suggest using like the contact paper that you can find at the Dollar Tree. It's not as sticky as the Cricut transfer tape. I found this design on my Cricut design space, and I loved the letters, so these are what I used, and I used vinyl. I'm excited. I hear that vinyl is coming out to the Dollar Tree, so I cannot wait to practice and see how well that does. And here I am touching up my letters, and then I wrapped it with some twine and I put it on my decoration piece behind me when I was finished. Love it! So for this project, I have been running around Dollar Trees trying to find this wooden heart. For some reason it was really hard to find this year, but they usually have them there. I wanted to do something with my Cricut cardstock paper flowers that I used in my last project. I had some left over, so I thought I would take this heart, and I used my Craft Smart black paint. It is acrylic paint, and I painted over the board and on the sides, and I did 2 layers of this. Just for my preference, I just wanted a little bit darker. I probably wouldn't mind having just 1 layer of like maybe some of the wood seeping through, but I wanted to do 2. So that's what I did. So now that my heart is all painted, I have a little dryer that I use to dry it, or you could also wait for it to dry. I set up my flowers ahead of time on my heartboard where I wanted them to go. And then I used my Gorilla Glue and stuck them on. I didn't want to use hot glue. The Gorilla Glue would work better and longer. And I love the shades of purple. And my vinyl says, "All of me loves all of you." That's mine and my husband's wedding song. And I used purple vinyl at first, and I thought it looked a little too dark, so you will see me adding another layer of gray a little bit over it, so it kind of, you can see the purple and the gray on it. I loved how this came out, and it is now hanging above the bed until I can find a better spot to put it. And like I said, you could find stickers at the Dollar Tree and make it your own. This I found on my design space and printed it out and cut it out. And then you see me with my contact paper taking it off and leaving the vinyl there. I didn't like how the purple, you just couldn't see it very well with the black, so I wanted to lighten it up a little bit, so I added that, and it came out beautiful. Alright, so here you have it. Cute little easy to do DIYs using Dollar Tree products. Little mishap with the paint, but that's okay. But I love the sign. This is going in my bedroom. I hope that you enjoyed. Thank you so much for joining me, and thank you for all of the support. Please be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and share. That's it. So I'll see you next time. Bye.